Please subscribe to the eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Cup of coffee time, and on my TV talking about Kevin De Bruyne. If I don't know what they're saying. It's a big game today, City and Leeds. To try and find a place to watch it, but I might struggle because it's a day of elections, and supposedly everywhere is closed to alcohol sales. But this is Thailand. Come on, Owen, try and get yourself motivated to get out of here. It's about 9:15. I'll have a shower and it's out on my adventures in Chiang Mai. I've got a lot to cover today. A lot to cover. Feeling a little bit hungover. I vowed I wouldn't be doing this, but I have. Anyway, at least I'll have a day off from it today because it's a day of the elections. My God, El Scorchio is absolutely red hot. This is going to be torture today, walking around in this. Right, make plans. Breakfast first, get a bit of strength inside me. And good job I put my cream on. Plastered myself in cream. Got my little cap on to keep the sun off me. I can see myself getting burnt today. I'm going to have to be careful. I've got to put cream on my arms. I'm heading now to the old town. I've got all the info in my Google Maps. It's very quiet, but it's only 10 o'clock. But it's blistering. So people feed the pigeons and then they make a banging sound. See if I can show you. I know you've seen it before, but some people might not know. Like this family here, they'll line up. Like this. Probably these ladies is more interesting. They sometimes get the pigeons round. And they're not doing it, they're maybe doing Instagram stuff. I don't know. I'll do it with this family. You know what I mean? And then the lady there will take some photographs and earn a few baht in the meantime. Whoa! I think I might start doing it. You know, you can't make plans in Thailand. Well, this is a good example. A lot of the restaurants are not open till 11 o'clock. So, as I'm peckish, I've had to get something to fill that hole. So I've got the cheese and ham toasty from 7-Eleven, a chocolate drink just to put me on for a while. We look around this temple here, it's not at Wat Chedi Luang, I can't find that. It's somewhere over there and I didn't have the patience because I was hungry to look for it. So I'm going to have a look at this one here, spend a little bit of time in there and then find out Wat Chedi Luang, and then I might head over to Zoe in Yellow. It's a bit of a bar complex, and there's some Irish pubs around there. I might get myself a decent breakfast or fish and chips or something from there. But for now, I'm just going to chill, eat me pasty and keep out of this heat. It is absolutely scorching. I'll tell you what I've noticed here in Chiang Mai, 7-Elevens are as rare as rocking horse poo. Only seen 1, 2. Whew, enjoy myself just ambling about. There's a nice Buddha in there, I might go in here and have a look. That's the last time I've taken my shoes off.
อันนี้ยังไม่สุกนะ not yes อันเนี้ยโอเคเนี่ยโอเค
I never spoke then, you know why? Because I'm hungover from last night. I've said it loads of times. That getting hammered at night and vlogging the day after don't go hand in hand. You just lose the enthusiasm. Do you know what I mean? It's hard to explain. It dulls you. It dulls you. Right, this is the last temple I'm going to look at. This is Wat Chedi Luang. Apparently I think it's one of the oldest and one of the tallest. I think it's behind here.
Hello. Where to get the glory?
Huh?
Outside where to get.
Michael Jai.
Outside where to get. Sir?
Oh.
Please.
Oh.
Take your next draw.
Oh, okay,
And buy
okay.
ticket,
Thank you,
please.
thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay, cheers. Hey, you gonna let me in? Thought you said buy a ticket. What he said, the next gate. Tuk. Oops, sorry.
oh sorry
£50 to get in. I don't like him that much. Right, let's get some tam Thai down at this corner restaurant and a drink.
Language are different.
They're different.
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
Different dialect, different tones, or yeah,
อันนี้ not ready
yeah. Kai yang na, alright na?
I can take you everywhere.
I want to go to this restaurant here. Only.
Oh, but please later on. Is nearby here?
I think when I've eaten this, my next task is to get a haircut. Go to.
please subscribe to
I've forgotten. I mean, that's this lady here where the train station is. Listen to this. I think he's Indian. What I like about Thailand, just wandering around and looking at things, you never know what you're going to find. To wipe the sweat out of my eyes. Not crying. You like?
No, a little bit echo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tough for warm.
Yeah,
He was telling us he went to Scotland
Yeah.
and it was cold. Have to drink whiskey to keep him warm.
Yeah.
I can resist these massages, but I can't resist. You waiting for it? An old durian ice cream. Just spotted one in the corner of the fridge. So I'm going to go back to my room, chill for a bit. Alright! Thai video now. Hello!
Why you won't make me here?